Welcome to our first onboarding video. We're excited to help you get started with our cloud storage and file sharing system, Stratux. In the next few minutes, we'll walk you through our hierarchical business account structure, explaining different tiers and the specific user privileges available at each level. Understanding this hierarchy will empower you to leverage our system's unique features and manage your team's resources effectively. To enhance security and privacy, we've separated payment management from storage management. Only the account owner or a designated billing contact can access payment information, which remains completely hidden from other users, while still allowing them full access to necessary storage resources. This feature lets you share storage resources with external collaborators, without revealing your payment information. The account owner, called Super Admin, has a dedicated dashboard for managing both payment information and admin users, the highest tier of operational access. Super Admin is unique to each account. An account is unrecoverable if its Super Admin loses login credentials. A separate UI is dedicated to all other users for storage and file management. The highest user tier is Administrator, who manages storage resources, creating and removing lower-tier users, and monitoring account activities such as upload, download, and login devices. Admins can restrict device access when suspicious activity is detected. The manager represents the next tier of users, exercising similar responsibilities and privileges on a more limited scope. Whereas admins manage the entire account, managers oversee resources specifically allocated to their respective teams. Standard users are responsible for managing their own resources without any administrative privileges. Unlike Super Admin, all other user tiers support concurrent multi-user access. The permission model is strictly hierarchical, with authority flowing vertically between tiers rather than horizontally among peers. Consequently, users within the same tier lack the ability to restrict or manage one another's actions. The system supports both individual and collaborative workflows. As the Super Admin, you are automatically granted administrator privileges, allowing you to operate as a single user by allocating all storage to yourself. Alternatively, you can extend access to external collaborators by inviting them to join your account. Granting a user the manager role authorizes them to further expand the user base by inviting additional participants. Congrats on reaching the end of our introduction. In next tutorial, we'll guide you through setting up an account step by step. Thanks for watching and see you next time.